Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 4:53 p.m. Today is 17th of August 2020 and I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain right now here welcoming you to the YouTube channel, and I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Stocks, Fires and Master Trade. So I have thought today I'm going to give you another 4 stocks that I've identified. But before that, in case you want to get in touch with my team, in case you plan you have some query or something, you can reach out to my team. And the ways you can reach out to my team are here: Telegram, website, StockPro, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, mobile, and YouTube. And also I would like you to be present on my Telegram channel. And so what is so special about my Telegram channel? We have given one single stock today, just one single stock today, and the stock was NTPC, right? This was the stock I've given in cash as well as in futures, right? This is a future one, and this one is cash. So 91.7 is where I gave. And look at the blast this stock had. It was unstoppable, right? It started from here and went on till uh, full, almost huge points, right? That was the accuracy. This is what we have. This is how we trade, and this is how we filter out. So see here, this is how the stock was just unidirectional. It just kept on going in a single direction the whole day, right? It never comes back to hit your stop loss. So how do you filter such trades? Anyway, now I'm not going to give any pro intraday Independence Day offer is over, so you got to wait now, or now the full fee paid mentorship program is only on. Anyway, that choice you can make, whether you want to do or you don't want to do. That choice you can make. But this is how our trade was, one single trade, right? How many channels are there who gives you who will give you these kind of trades, right? The lot size is 5,700, and how many points did it get? About 6 points you could one could manage, if at all. Let's say one didn't manage to book 6.4 points, 3 points, 2 points, whatever. Huge amount of money, right? This is what the huge amount of money is. So be present here, and if you've made money from my Telegram channel, please suggest my channel to others. And I'm sure a lot of people are losing a huge amount of money, so they will be able to support it, right? And there are these my positional picks which I gave on Friday. Each of them blasted today. Just dial. I had given a lot of them the other day. I don't know about Phenolix, but Parag Mill gave, I think, 5 points. Then Jamna Auto gave about 3, 4 or 5 points. Straight away it blasted in a straight line. So this is the accuracy, and I'm very concerned and very thoughtful when I give stocks to you people, right? So I'm going to give you today another 4 stocks. So the first stock is GNFC, right? GNFC, I thought, a little bit I'm going to teach you about RSI as well. So this is RSI. This is how RSI looks. So always, I prefer a setting of 60 and 40. You must have seen in my YouTube videos as well that I do modify the setting. I don't take the default setting. And for me, if the stock takes a support at 40 or it crosses 60, it's a good sign for me, right? So now this is my first stock. No, this is not my first stock. My first stock is GNFC, right? GNFC, I would suggest for a buy above this place, which is 180. And our stop loss is going to be somewhere here. 170 is going to be our stop loss, right? And what will be our target? Our final target can be expected to be 214 or 15, right? So the first target that I'm looking at should be somewhere here, 195, right? Next target should be about 204 or 205, and the last target is 214. If 214 is crossed, then we can expect 224. And if 224 is crossed, then we can expect 237. So these are going to be my targets, right? So let me just add it over here. The first stock that I have given you is, which one was it? GNFC. GNFC. and buy above what place? Buy above 180, right? That's the point from where I do plan to buy. Oh, what is this? Wrong spelling. So now let's come back here. That's my first stock. The second stock I have on my radar is Philips Carbon, right? Philips Carbon has crossed by taking a support on RSI. Oh, see, I'm telling you because you people probably do not know how to read the price action, but I don't use any indicator, right? I don't use RSI, MACD, nothing. I just work on the price, and to me, price looks pretty decently placed. My first target in Philips Carbon will be somewhere around 131, and the next target is going to be 138, and the next target will be 147. And if 147 cross, then 160 is my target. And where will be my stop loss? My stop loss is going to be 113, right? This is going to be my stop loss at this place, and my buy will be above 125. That's a safe place for us to take an entry, right? So that's my second stock, Philips Carbon. So I'm adding it up over here so that Philips Carbon, right? Buy above what place? 125, right? That's okay. And then we have another one, SCI, right? Shipping Corporation of India. So my buy will initiate right now. It's at about 61. I wouldn't mind buying it here as well, right? My first target would be about 64.5, right? Because see, the RSI looks very promising. I can also tell you something more, that look at the divergence in the like the strength that RSI is gaining. It's pretty good because it took a turn reversal from a higher level, right? So that looks pretty good, and I will be expecting a buy above 62.55, 62.5. My first target will be of about 2 points, and if it is broken, then I'm expecting it to give me next target at 66. So it's a small valued stock, right? Small valued stocks, the targets are not going to be huge. So then I'm expecting 69, and if 69 is crossed, then I'm expecting 75. These are going to be my targets. So I'm going to write it here. By SCI, buy above 64.5, right? That's going to be my buying place. That's right. SCI, Shipping Corporation of India, right? Please, you must note it. Then the next one that I have on my radar is Bombay Dyeing, right? Bombay Dyeing has been trying to break this barrier for many days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days have been passed by, and it has not broken this barrier. So we will buy it above 71, right? And once again, look at the RSI. It looks to be strengthening slowly, getting up the strength, right? So we would like to buy it above 71, and our first target will be 73, 74, right? The next target will be 78, and then next will be 85. And if 85 crosses, then I can definitely expect for 96, right? These are going to be my targets. So I'm not writing them down, but you can make personal notes and write them down. So Bombay Dyeing, I'm going to buy above 71, right? So that's my last stock from here. So Bombay Dyeing, buy above what place? 60. Buy above 71, sorry, buy above 71, right? That's going to be our buying place. Have I written the wrong spelling? So these are the 4 stocks that I'm giving you, but please don't forget there are 2 more stocks which I have on my radar. One of them is Balrampur Chini. I have given it earlier also, and Dhampur Chini. So I'm sure something is coming up in all these sugar stocks, but I'm not writing down their supports, their entry price. You can, or maybe let me just have a look. Balrampur Chini and Dhampur Chini, right? These are the two stocks on my radar. So if I have to buy Balrampur Chini, I've already given a buy, right? There was a video that I made on the sugar sector. I already gave a buy. So if somebody wants to initiate fresh buy, it will be above 149, right? So Balrampur Chini will buy above 149. And the other one, the last one that I have, and again you can see how RSI is strongly becoming powerful, right? Slowly it is becoming powerful. Look at the way it is strengthening, right? Every time it's reversing, and look at the price, that's also heading up in the upward direction. Then we have, see, I have already given Dhampur for a buy, so it's above my buy price, right? Let me just remove it, everything. And again, it's, see, RSI has taken a support and ready for a, again, in a move up direction. So Dhampur can be bought above 147. So we can buy above. So please keep them on radar, because I'm telling you, this is not something very freely available research. It's a very, very highly I have spent a lot of good amount of time on figuring out these stocks, and I'm giving it to you. And usually it's not free. People, all these big fund managers, they have a battery of people to do this kind of analysis, and yet those people cannot filter out these kind of stocks. So I am giving you, because I'm concerned about, and I really want you people to make money, right? And if you want to learn how these stocks have been filtered, then you can be present on my Telegram channel. We keep coming up with some different courses. Right now we are about to begin with something called Smart Money Multiplier course, and you can be part of it if you want, but that choice you have to make, because I can only suggest, but the choice that you have to make is yours. So with this, I'm signing off. Please once again have the stocks on your radar. GNFC buy above 180, Phillips Carbon buy above 125, SCI Shipping Corporation of India buy above 64.5, Bombay Dyeing buy above 71, Balrampur Chini buy above 149, and Dhampur Chini 147. I have given the stop losses also in the video, so please hear me out absolutely, and watch the video as many times. And I have taught you something new today, which is with respect to the RSI. So RSI is strengthening, means the stock is gaining power, right? It's getting ready to head up, right? So these are the 6 stocks that I've filtered out. I'm saying watch out the accuracy for all the 6 stocks. I'll be giving them on my Telegram channel as well tomorrow, but or as and when I'm close to getting a breakout, I'll be giving it on the Telegram channel. Please share my Telegram channel with all the people. Please share my YouTube video with all the people who are losing money, right? And I don't mind begging in case it sounds like that. I'm fine with it. I'm perfectly fine with it. So please, please, please join the channel and encourage people to join my Telegram channel, because you get live trades over here, right? Which is an highly accurate live trades you get, right? Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.